Let's be honest, choosing the right camera can feel like picking your next Netflix series. So many options, and you don't want to make the wrong choice. But when it comes to content creation, Canon makes it easy. They've got something for everyone. Starting out, the Canon Rebel T7 is the perfect choice. It's easy to use, budget-friendly, and delivers incredible results for beginners. Stepping it up, the Canon EOS 80D is a vlogger's dream. Its flip-out screen and fast autofocus make creating content so much smoother. And for the professionals, or anyone ready to invest big, the EOS 5D Mark IV is the gold standard. With 4K video, insane image quality, and durability to handle any shoot, it's the ultimate tool for pros. Here's the secret. Think about your needs. Are you vlogging? Grab something lightweight like the Rebel series. Shooting cinematic projects? The 5D Mark series is where it's at. Canon makes choosing simple by offering cameras tailored to every creator's journey. And hey, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support keeps this content coming, and together, we can make your creative journey even better. Let's create something amazing.